Air conditioner. Air conditioner or device designed to control and regulate indoor temperature, humidity, and air quality. They work on the principle of removing heat from an indoor space and expelling it outdoors, thereby cooling and dehumidifying the air inside. Liquid refrigerant inside the evaporator coil convert to gas. Heat from the indoor air is absorbed into the refrigerant, thus cooling the air as it passes over the coil. The indoor unit's blower fan then pumps the chilled air back through the home ductwork out into the various areas. Advantages of air conditioner. Comfort. They provide a comfortable indoor environment by regulating temperature and humidifying, especially in hot or humid climate. Health benefits. Air conditioner can improve indoor air quality by filtering out pollutant, dust, and allergen, which is beneficial for people with allergic or respiratory conditions. Productivity. A cooler environment can enhance productivity and concentration, particularly in workplace and educational setting. Preservation. They help preserve furniture, electronic device, and other items susceptible to damage from excessive heat and humidity. Sleep quality. Maintaining a comfortable temperature promotes better sleep quality, leading to improved overall health and well-being. Heat regulation. They can regulate indoor temperatures during extreme weather conditions, ensuring safety during heat waves or cold spells. Reduce the risk of dehydration, control over air circulation, environmental control, lifestyle enhancement, etc. Disadvantages of air conditioner. Energy consumption. They can be energy intensive, leading to higher electricity bills, especially if used excessively or with inefficient models. Environmental impact. The energy consumption of an air conditioner contributes to greenhouse gases emission, which can exacerbate climate changes. Health issue. Prolonged exposure to an air conditioner can sometimes cause health issues like dry skin, dehydration, and respiratory problems. Maintenance cost, noise, air quality concern. Application of refrigeration. In water to cooler to supply cold water for drinking, to manufacture ice, for preservation of food, vegetable, milk, ice cream, etc. In houses, hotels, ships, etc. For preservation of perishable like fish, mutton, chicken, etc. Preservation of medicine, blood, tissue, etc. in hospital. Preservation of dead bodies in mortuaries in hospital. Different types of industrial applications. For air conditioning in houses, office, theater, hospital, computer center, etc. Desirable properties of refrigerant. Low boiling point, low freezing point, high latent heat of evaporation, low specific heat, and low viscosity. It should be easily to liquefy, odorless, and no hazardous effect on leakage. Chemical stability, non-flammable, low cost. These are the desirable properties of refrigerant. In this figure, they indicate different types of refrigerant and boiling point, freezing point, etc. For example, the first ammonia, then the boiling point is -28. freezing point is minus 107.9. Then if we take all 32 gases, its boiling point is minus 61, freezing point minus 213. Thank you.